I'm Brett with Victoria Homes, here with Chris Cavaghan from Dominion Lending Center's Modern Mortgage Group. And yeah, thanks for having us out, Chris.
Thanks for coming.
How you doing today?
I'm doing great. How are you?
Yeah, great.
Thanks.
So tell us a little bit about what it is you do, and yeah, just take us through the process a little bit.
Well, I am a mortgage broker, so I have access to about 20 or 30 different lenders.
Okay.
So what that does is give people more options.
Right.
As everybody has different incomes, different credit scores, different goals, and they don't always fit in with one bank.
Right.
So when they come and talk to me, I'm able to source out whatever lender is best for them.
Okay. Are they mostly like private lenders or a mixture of kind of both?
We do have access to private lenders if the
Okay.
conventional lending doesn't work, but our lenders, we have access to TD and Scotia, so the big banks,
Okay.
as well as a group of what are called monoline lenders. So they don't have branches and they only originate deals through brokers.
So how'd you get your start in kind of the mortgage industry?
Well, I actually used to be an accountant and got a little bit tired of sitting in a corner office
Okay.
all day, and so branched out into being a broker. It's the same type of thing, numbers, which I was good at.
Right. A little
And
more face to face.
Yeah, like getting out there, talking to people a little bit more, and not doing the same thing month in, month out.
Yeah,
that
way
type
more
of thing.
variety, I'm sure.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Awesome. When would you say is kind of the best time for someone to start thinking about a mortgage?
Well, it's actually a good idea just to come in anytime you're thinking that you want to start buying a house. Come
Okay.
in and have your application done. See what your credit looks like. If you're not able to qualify at this point, then we can set up goals of how to
Oh, yeah.
get there. I've had clients that I worked with for 2 years before they actually purchased a house.
Wow. And kind of how long does the process take? Like if I were, to start shopping now, when would the process be kind of finished up?
Well, literally we could get a pre-approval done in half an hour.
Oh wow.
Yeah. So, and the pre-approval doesn't actually change unless something on your status changes, like your income or your debts. The only thing that expires is a rate.
Okay.
So we would get a rate hold for 4 months.
Right.
But once you actually make an offer on a house, we could have it closed in 2 weeks.
Right. What's the cost kind of for your services?
I don't cost anything. I get paid by
Wow.
the bank.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
So for me, if I were to walk in the door, then there wouldn't be any kind of upfront cost.
None.
Wow.
No, exactly. And if you're buying a house, the seller pays the real estate agent, the bank pays me. If you're a first-time buyer, your property transfer tax is waived.
Wow.
So it just costs you legal fees to purchase your first house.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yes.
Any kind of tips for people who are thinking about getting into the housing market?
The biggest tip is your credit.
Oh, yeah.
Keep your credit strong. Yes, well, try to keep your balances low on your credit cards. That'll give you a stronger credit score, and obviously always make your payments.
Right.
Yes.
Yeah. Awesome. Well, thanks for having us out.
Thank you very much.